So you'll notice that was a bit of scrap metal that I picked up. It already had a very sharp cut on it, so it had a point. So not to show that I'm cheating, I want to admit to it right now that that was a piece of metal that had a point on it already. I just kind of drew it out a little bit. And still trying to learn this shit with my left hand, but I realized my bigger hammer is better than the lighter hammer. I don't have to try so hard to aim. I can just hit it hard and it tends to work a little bit better. So let's try out a little bit of straightly cut off material. We'll see how that goes. There you go, one heat on a 3/8 bar. Awkward. Not too bad, I guess. So that was kind of tough, but I was actually surprised how easy it was. Well, not easy physically, like it seems to take an awful lot of energy, but I'm getting better at directing the blows, so that's hitting it just right, and geez, that's only 2 heats, that's not bad. So. So anyway, that's my attempt at some scroll work with my left hand. Left hand scroll work. It's hard, really hard to do. Plus I had a couple drinks, that doesn't help. But with a couple of drinks in me, I don't think I did too bad. I don't know. I hear chickens. Oh. Tell you, man, around here, chickens are like rats. They're everywhere.